So I got a new little printer, and there's been something on my mind. What am I going to do when I get more flexible steel sheets? Last year I designed a steel sheet holder for the MK3 printers and bamboo printers. But what about small printers? And printers of all sorts of different sizes. And well, here's what I came up with. And this time, it's adjustable. Alright, you probably want to know how to assemble it, so we'll get into that. It's really only 5 parts, but you're going to need some M3 screws and M3 nuts. Guess who spent all spring organizing their M3 screws and nuts? To lock the nuts into position, just grab a longer screw and you're going to pull the nut into place by tightening it and then loosening it. Cool. Next, grab this bracket thing. It's already got some nuts in it, so grab the left insert rail thing and we're gonna piece these two together. You think I would know what these are called. I mean, I designed them. Attach the two together using 2 M3 6 screws. I mean, you could use a little longer screws if you really want in this case. Now grab the right side sheet holder and you'll notice there's this gap right here. It prints with overhang, so you're gonna wanna cut the overhang away with a knife. Now take the backer and we're just gonna slide that into place with the 2 rails here. Okay, we're gonna grab one of these nut slider things. It's a weird name, but make sure you put it in the same way. You'll notice there's a ruler on the side, and it's got letters. You can use those to position it for certain printers. Like for instance, with the Prusa Mini I'm gonna use this with, I'm gonna move it into position C. Next, grab this horizontal rail slider part, and we're gonna slide that into place with the other parts we just assembled. Grab the remaining 2 nut sliders and you're gonna put them in this way. Install both of them using an M3 8 screw. Don't tighten the screws just yet, we'll do that later. With those installed, we now want to slide the sheet holder to the left. This will avoid part collisions during installation. I'm going to be installing this under these GEN2 drawers. If you're not familiar with those, I have a whole video dedicated to them, and I'll put the video link in the description below. So we're going to slide the left sheet holder into place. We're going to lock those in place using M3 8 screws. Then we're going to slide the right tray holder in place. Then we're going to secure that in place using another M3 8 screw. Now slide the tray to the right width that you want. I actually recommend using your tray to figure out the correct width, but I'm printing with my one and only one, so that doesn't do me much good. But let's just pretend. Once you get to the correct width, just tighten the 2 screws from earlier. And that's it. You now have storage for your printer. Your small little printer. If you like this model and you want to see more just like it, check out my printables.com account. I had a lot of requests for this model, and I appreciate any suggestions like that, so keep them coming. I'm having a lot of fun working on these.